Fashions, if not very expensive and morally harmful, should be approved. Fashions fade, style is eternal. We are shaped and fashioned by what we love. The joy of dressing is an art. The dress must follow the body of woman, not the body following the shape of the dress. Dressing well is a form of good manners. Elegance is not standing out but being remembered. The point of the essay is to change things. I dress for the image, not for myself, not for the public, not for fashion, not for man. Style is a way to say who you are without having to speak. Fashion is not something that exists in dresses only. Fashion is in the sky, in the street. Fashion has to do with ideas, the way we live, what is happening. Fashion is not a new thing. Every age has its own fashion. By adopting fashion in dress or hairstyle, people show off their wealth and vanity. Meaning of fashion is the visible creativity of people which can enhance the physical beauty of personality of someone. The way we dress affects the way of we think, the way we feel, the way we act, and the way others react to us. We must never confuse elegance with snobbery. A fashion does not reach the streets is not a fashion. Fashion is a form of ugliness so intolerable that we have to alter it every 6 months. The essay is a literary device for saying almost everything about almost anything. In the fashion industry, everything goes retro except the prices.